Hello, all. So let me introduce myself. So I have overall 15 years of IT industry experience with a robust background across financial technology, digital marketing, and automobile sectors. I excel in platform engineering, reliability engineering, and DevSecOps, SaaS operations, and service delivery. My expertise includes multi-tenant SaaS applications and cloud-native services and streaming data platforms, complex event stream processing, and cybersecurity. Today, we are stepping into the future of fleet management, where transformative technologies are reshaping the way manage and operate vehicle fleets. With the integration of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things and Kubernetes, we unlock new possibility of efficiency and safety. Fleet management is the process of managing. Let me introduce about what is fleet management. Fleet management is the process of managing a company's vehicles and assets through their life cycle. The goal is to improve efficiency and reduce costs and increase performance. The fleet management itself introduced is the process of improving the efficiency and cost and performance. How about integrating AI like AI and IoT along with this fleet management and along with the Kubernetes, like cloud native solutions like Kubernetes? So picture a world where AI predicts maintenance needs before issue raises and IoT optimizes routes in real time and Kubernetes scales operations seamless. This convergence can reduce operational costs by up to 30%, improve vehicle reliability and enhance driver safety. So let's deep dive into this actually. So let's deep dive into that it actually. So how AI is transforming fleet management. If you see the current diagram, and if you see that you have the company vehicles. Let's say if you have a ambulances or maybe trucks, like a company will be having trucks and the companies will be having companies like Uber, any corporate companies having their own vehicles. So what happens is like we need to obviously fleet managers should able to see in the dashboards like what's going on with the tire pressures and tire pressures as well as fuel and certain things like a fuel and maintenance, in the dashboard. So based on that, they will try to take the decisions of buying the new vehicles or do the maintenance and improve proactive performance measures. So we should see in the dashboards actually. We should see what's going on in the dashboards and we should get an alerts actually. That's how it is right now. When it comes to how AI is revolutionizing this whole process. So AI is revolutionizing how we manage optimized vehicles fleet. So through advanced learning algorithms and predictive analysis. So AI enables decision making automobiles complex operation tasks. The transformation is helping fleet managers to reduce costs and improve safety and maximize efficiency at an unprecedented scale. So it's so what so more of because of algorithms predictive by using AI with predictive algorithms, easily we can simplify the decision making and automate any complex tasks. So this is about like how AI transforming fleet management. And next, coming to the next slide. So due to the rise of fleet management, the two things are happening. One is a predictive maintenance, and other thing is efficiency boost. So when it comes to predictive maintenance, AI drives advancements in predictive maintenance and reducing vehicle downtime by at least 40%, and advanced algorithms analyze the engine data to forecast potential issues before even occur. So that's a big thing, that really big thing when it comes to the vehicle maintenance. And again, coming to the efficiency boost, AI overall improve the operational efficiency with organizations experience improvements of around 30%, and smart systems optimize routes, schedules, and resource allocation real time. Like smart systems such as like IoT devices are going to optimize the routes and schedules and resource allocation in real time. So this is really big change. So IoT means like Internet of Things. So how it is, so which is really useful in real time tracking and monitoring. IoT provides three things. Like one is enhanced safety, and another one is transparency, and third one is risk reduction. So when it comes to enhanced safety, IoT enables real time tracking of vehicles and condition monitoring, enhancing of fleet safety. And the coming to transparency, IoT enabled sensors offer increased transparency. This provides a clear view of fleet operations. And when it comes to the third thing, risk reduction, companies using IoT reporting 25% decrease in risks. This is due to enhanced monitoring and data. And let's coming to the third key component, which is a Kubernetes. So Kubernetes, how Kubernetes is powering modern fleet management infrastructure. So because we need infrastructure in IoT, we need infrastructure in AI for running AI predictive fleet management. We need it in edge computing, for which is essential even in fleet management right now. So how a Kubernetes is revolutionizing this whole process. It is using. So if you see, so what Kubernetes is doing, it's an underlying key backbone of all these things. So because if backbone of these things. So what it is providing? So Kubernetes provides a central containerization and resource management capabilities for robust fleet management systems. And the second thing, it comes like automated deployment. See, so Kubernetes provides seamless scaling, automated deployment of applications, and microservices for real-time data processing, which is for IoT. And third thing is resource optimization. Enhance the resource utilization and efficiency management of computing resources for AI and IoT operation. And the third thing is it provides security and flexibilities. So when it comes to security and flexibility, it isolates environments with multi-environment support, like a cloud, on-prem, hybrid for secure and adaptable operation, which is very key in fleet care management. So when it comes to the scalability, Kubernetes allows seamless scaling of application microservices that process large volumes of IoT data in real time. It's really like IoT data is the key for fleet management and to get the real-time data of a vehicle. So, and when it comes to the deployment, it can Kubernetes can automate deployment, scaling operations in fleet management, ensuring that updates and new features are continuously integrated and delivered. And also, Kubernetes provides resource efficiency. Kubernetes enhances resource utilization by effectively managing computer resources essential for processing AI models and handling IoT data. And the fourth thing is isolation and security. With its containerization feature, Kubernetes provides isolation environments for different applications, enhancing security and reliability. And flexibility, it supports various environments such as cloud, on-prem, hybrid, and making it adaptable, changing data processing and AI requirements in fleet management. In summary, Kubernetes serves as a backbone for deploying and maintaining robust, scalable, and efficient systems necessary for the dynamic field of IoT and AI-driven fleet management. And coming to success story of AI predicting breakdowns. So transformative AI integration. Our cutting edge machine system revolutionized fleet management by processing an unprecedented 500,000 data points from real-time vehicle sensors, comprehensive engine diagnostics, and detailed maintenance histories to spot emerging mechanical issues before they become critical failures. And second thing is game-changing predictive power. By harnessing the power of advanced algorithms, the system delivered an enhanced 90% success in forecasting mechanical failures 2 weeks before they occurred. This breakthrough enabled fleet managers to schedule maintenance strategically, virtually eliminating unexpected breakdowns and their associated costs. And third thing is dramatic financial impact. The result spoke volumes. Like organization deploying this AI solution captured an average of 2.3 million in annual savings. The gains came from eliminating emergency repair premiums, strategical scheduling maintenance during off-peak hours, and maximizing vehicle uptime enhanced fleet productivity. Another success story, about IoT, like how IoT improving fuel efficiency. So one is like a vehicle diagnostics, and second thing is fuel savings, and third thing is sustainable operations. So when it comes to the vehicle diagnostics, real-time IoT sensors monitored engine performance, deliver behavior, and routing efficiency, and leading to data-driven optimization of fleet operations. And then coming to the fuel savings, Implementation 20% improvements in fuel efficiency, saving an average of 150,000 annually per vehicle, per 100 vehicles, while reducing maintenance costs. And the third thing is reduce sustainable operation, reduce carbon emissions by 25%, equivalent to removing 50% cars from road annually, while meeting stringent environment compliance standards. And coming to the success story of Kubernetes scaling operations when it comes to the fleet care management. Seamless deployment. One is seamless deployment, and second one is scalability, and third one is reliability. When it comes to seamless deployment, Kubernetes orchestrated a flawless deployment across multiple cloud environments, reducing deployment time from days to minutes while maintaining 99.99 uptime. And the second thing is scalability. Fleet operations scale over 300 within 6 months, handling peak loads of 10,000 concurrent vehicle connections without performance degradation. And third thing is reliability. System maintained 99.99 availability throughout scaling with zero critical incidents and automated failover ensuring continuous service delivery. The future in data driven up to so data driven. So the four key pillars like here is optimization, efficiency, safety, and intelligence. Optimization is something like continuous improvement through predictive analytics, and we can achieve optimization using continuous improvement through predictive analytics. And efficiency can be achieved by streamlining operations and resolution, utilization. And third thing is like we can achieve safety with the enhanced risk management and prevention. And fourth thing is intelligence by achieving data-driven decision making foundation. The powerful combination of AI and IoT and Kubernetes creates a comprehensive ecosystem for intelligent fleet management. This integration enables real-time data analysis, predictive maintenance, and automated decision making, transforming traditional fleet operations into agile, efficient, and future-ready systems. Coming to the multi-cloud deployment. So we are three things here, like a flexible cloud strategy, dynamic scaling, enterprise reliability. So when it comes to flexible cloud strategy, deploy and manage solutions across AWS, Azure, Google platforms while maintaining united control visibility. And second thing is dynamic scaling. Automatically scale resources up and down based on demand and ensuring optimal performance while controlling costs and across all cloud environments. And third one is enterprise reliability. Achieve 99.99% uptime distributed architecture and automatic failover, keeping your operations running smoothly across multiple regions. This multi-cloud deployment is really adaptable in fleet care management. So coming to the actionable insights and coming to the roadmap. So there are three strategic phases. Unproven methodology deliver results through three focused phases. One is a comprehensive fleet management, and second one is a seamless technology deployment, and the third one is continuous performance optimization. So coming, how many days to get success? So experience transformation in just 90 days with the accelerated implementation program featuring weekly milestones and measurable KPI improvements. And with this combination of IoT, AI, and that is we can achieve success in 90 days itself. And like most of the clients consistently achieve 20% improvement in operational efficiency, AI-powered automation, real-time monitoring, and predictive analytics. And embrace transformative technologies like AI, leverage AI intelligent algorithms to optimizing fleet management and predict maintenance needs through unprecedented accuracy. So and coming to the IoT, transform your fleet with real-time vehicle monitoring and data-driven insights from smarter decision making. And third one is Kubernetes. Build resilient, scalable infrastructure that adapts to growing your fleet while ensuring seamless data management. Key take and next steps. The powerful combination of AI, IoT, and Kubernetes create a transformative foundation for a moderate fleet management, delivering to maintenance, real-time monitoring, and scalable operations. Begin your digital transformation journey by identifying key pain points, selecting pilot projects, and improving these technologies in phases to ensure sustainable success. Organizations can embrace these innovations now will gain significant a competitive advantage through improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced safety metrics. And thank you for attending my session for about this fleet management along with IoT, Kubernetes, and AI. Thank you.